In this video, I will give you a brief overview of the EPFX CopyTrader. To access the CopyTrader, navigate to the Trade Copier tab in the menu to expand the Copier menu. You will see additional menu options appear. In the Provider Leaderboard tab, you will be able to see all of the providers, a brief description of their strategy for trading and their overall return total and monthly. If we click the Profile button, we can view more detailed information, the age of their copier account, and we can filter the periods from all time, 3 months, 1 month, and per week. A bit further down, you can see the monthly return bar graph measured in percentages. In the month of July, we can see this provider made 1% on the account, and in the month of August, they have already made 2.12% on their account. Next, we will hop over to the Investment Offers tab. Here, you will be able to see the current offers from providers if you would like to subscribe to their master copier. You will see the name of the provider, what their performance fee of profits is, what the minimum account balance must be to subscribe to their copier, and then the Invest button. Next, we will visit the My Providers tab. Here you will find all of the provider accounts you have created if you are a trade provider. Anyone can become a trade provider by clicking the Become Provider button here at the top. Then we will navigate to the My Subscriptions tab. Here you will find all of your active subscriptions if you have subscribed your account to a master account. Here you can view the subscriptions, suspend them, and also unsubscribe from a master account. Lastly, at any time from the menu, you can select Become a Provider, which will begin the process for you to open your very own master account for people to subscribe to. There will be 2 more videos to follow this one. One will cover the full process to subscribe your account to a master account and configure your risk settings for the subscription. The other will cover the full process to create a provider account and set your investment offer for subscribers. As always, thanks for watching.